High Technology Machines Limited. HTM is an authorized and exclusive distributor of Japanese Okuma machine tools. We are a partner providing complex services for the manufacturing companies in Poland. We specialize in the integration of machines, technologies, and automation of machining processes. The key to our success is flexibility and close cooperation with the customers. We constantly conduct activities in the field of implementing innovative technologies. We help in the implementation of new orders and increase the productivity of already existing production cycles. Thanks to this, we build long-term relationships and record over 90% of customer returns, which allowed us to implement over 1,300 machine tools. Our team of application and technology engineers, in close cooperation with Okuma and global business partners, has constant access to the latest achievements in our field, which helps us to provide top-level service and solve every, even the most difficult production task. Today, our company celebrates another milestone in our history, opening our own research and development center with an area of almost 3,000 square meters. HTM R&D Center is a place where you'll find fully equipped laboratories and laboratories in which qualified HTM employees will prepare innovative, autonomous, automated, remotely managed, and ultra-precise machining solutions in accordance with the idea of Industry 4.0. R&D Center is a place that is constantly available and open for the needs and production problems of customers, where presentations, meetings, and trainings will be regularly held, which is the same as tests and implementations of innovative technologies. Our development. Your productivity. HTM Productivity Development.